What's up YouTube, it's your girl Yanni. I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing this UNice reddish brownish water wave hair, and it's going to be the 22 inches. So I'm going to be doing a full install and letting you guys know exactly how I did this and how I got this look. So if you want to know how I got this look, if you want to know about this hair from UNice, go ahead and keep watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and make sure you subscribe to your girl. Leave me a comment letting me know what you thought about the hair color, and yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm no professional wig styler, but there's a way that I like to apply my wigs, and it's by first bringing the stocking cap down. I guess I need to do it a little lower. And I just pull it over, take my scissors, obviously. This stocking cap, I think it's like dark brown or something. I just wanted one that kind of matched. Let's cut this some more. There we go. Perfect. I'm gonna do it to the other side. I braided my own hair, kind of looks ratchet. You don't need to see all that, but yeah, it kind of looks a little ratchet, but I did want to protect my hair, at least that way. So now we've got this kind of going. I'm gonna use the ORS Super Hold spray. So I really like this spray. I feel like it gets the job done the best, honestly. I shake this up and just start. Then after I've sprayed that, I'm going to blow dry that part. So I'm gonna blow dry. I have this blow dryer. I need like another one because I like the one that kind of like blows out, but this one still works, so I'm gonna do that real fast. Alright, so I think it's pretty dry. I'm ready to kind of cut this. This thing tends to give me a headache. It feels like it's on for a while. This wig on to see, and I've never done this color before, so I'm actually kind of nervous about it. So we're gonna see. I'm so nervous. Let's see. Oh my gosh. So I think I cut it enough to where I needed to. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to first put some foundation on the lace, which lace looks pretty good. Like, I didn't bleach the knots or anything, but it doesn't look like they're that bad. I'm also gonna cut out, it came with a strap. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it, but it came with one. But I'm definitely about to cut off these side 2 combs because they kind of bother me, but I'm gonna leave the one in the back and then cut this little part off. So wait while I do that. So it came with one of these brushes, and I'm gonna use this to kind of apply the foundation so I don't have to get another one of my brushes dirty. So yeah, it's pretty convenient actually. So after, I don't know if y'all can see, but this is the makeup on the lace basically, so it should blend out pretty well now. Let's see. I think that's pretty good. This is kind of small. Okay. Ooh. But yeah, I'm pretty much ready to kind of tack down this glue after. So I'm about to cut that off and then put the glue on. Okay. So for the glue, I'm gonna use this Ghost Bond. I'm just gonna take this and nice and tacky. And then put the swag on. Hair clips. Where's the other hair clip? I can't find it, so it's fine. I'm gonna just. Oh my gosh, oh wow. Okay, so now that it's down, I see it's like a little bit of glue right here, but I'm gonna fix that a little later. Now that it's down, I'm going to start to cut the lace. So, let me see.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, you can't be replaced. There's no one else can do. That's bottom line. Spend my life with you. I won't please you any way I can.
I don't want to cut this hair, so do this. Okay. Woo! Oh my goodness. This looks good. I'm so happy. Okay, now that I'm kind of done with that side. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I've never had this color before. Alright, let me keep going.
I want you in my world, don't you understand? Your love is no one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay. Whew. Alright, I might need to put a little bit more glue over there so that part stays down. Alright, so I think we're good. I'm got it on, and y'all can't even really see the lace, so that's really good. Y'all, this hair looks so beautiful. You really can't even see the lace. That's like, look at that. I was still so scared of this hair, honey, because this is a different color than I'm used to. I've never had any red hair, and this is like the reddish brownish or brownish red water wave. This is 22" from UNice, and I just think like the wave pattern is beautiful. The hair is pretty full, as y'all can see. It's really beautiful. My man is in full surprise later, honey, because when I say I ain't never had no red hair, I mean I really haven't ever had any red hair ever in my life. Now that I've got it on, I want to do some baby hairs. Nothing dramatic, because I'm not even great at baby hair, but I'm gonna do a little bit. Oh, I found that other clip. That's crazy. Wow. I'm so excited. I didn't know this was gonna come out like this. That's so crazy. I found my brush. It wasn't at all in the place that it was supposed to be. And I want to get some baby hairs. So that's the next thing I'm gonna do, is try and do that. If I can. Alright, so let me pin this hair up so I can see what it really is that I want to do. Okay, this lighting in here is A1, like for real. Alright, but let me see. Like, I just wanted to say that really fast. Don't make fun of me because my comb, you know that little skinny part, it's gone. Trying to do somebody's nappy head. And now it's gone. That's some glue. Y'all see I fixed that part over there? So don't let glue no more. So here's what they kind of made for me right there. You know what? This is actually probably gonna depend on the kind of part that I want. I have no idea what kind of part I want. That's crazy. I have no idea what kind of part I want, like at all. I feel like maybe a middle part. I don't know, y'all. I don't know what kind of part. Let me see. Let's take these clips out. This hair is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is really hard for me to like stop freaking out about, because I've never had this color and I'm like so excited. And I just know the people at my job are gonna be like, who is that? That is so wild to me. This is on myself and I'm already like, who is that? I really didn't even, I don't have to have a part right now if I don't want to have a part. You feel me? Like I could just keep it the way that it is and just wear it like it is. Oh gosh, so many freaking options. I'm gonna do a middle part though and see, because I've been having a side part for just a little second. We're gonna have to do some plucking. I don't want a middle part, I'm just gonna wear it there. I don't think I'm about to do what I thought I was about to do. I'm just about to do these baby hairs. I need to lay that part down because it keeps sticking up. Y'all can do a middle part if y'all get the hair, if y'all decide to get it, which I think y'all should. But I'm gonna let y'all decide what y'all want to do with that. Me personally, I'm not about to do that. I'm just about to lay this hair down, these little baby hairs, and yeah, that's all we're gonna be doing. So I definitely don't need this long, huh? Okay, so you guys, I did actually do my baby hairs. Now, I didn't really do, too much. I just kind of like it to look pretty natural. And so basically, I think I'm gonna just stop there because, like I said, I don't really want to do anything for the hair. I feel like I can just like do like a flip over little method and it still looks really good. So I may decide to do something with it later, but for right now, like, I'm just liking how it is. So I think this is how I'm gonna close out the video. Let me know what you guys think. The hair is really soft. Again, this is like the 22-inch, so this is kind of like what it looks like and how like long it is. The color is honestly really just amazing, honestly. I love the texture. The lace came out really good. Like, you guys can't even really see it. And I just think it really looks good. I think I'm a dark skinned girl, so I think, for dark skinned girls for fall, I think this is the color to go ahead and rock. I never really had any color other than like light brown, blondish, and black. That's pretty much all the color that I do. So this was actually like a big thing for me. And I'm really happy that I did it. So if you like this hair, I'm gonna leave the link on where to get this hair down below. And go ahead and leave this video a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this, and I'll try to get as many done as I can. If you want a video of me styling the hair, and I'll probably do an updated, just an updated video of how the hair looks and how, how this bald cap method worked after like a week. There was a little bit of shedding. There wasn't really there wasn't a lot of shedding, but there was a little bit. But it's curlier hair. I've never really had curly hair that didn't shed, at least a little bit. So that's kind of to be expected. But as far as everything else, it was pretty smooth. So yeah, I would say go ahead and get the hair. I really love it. So, this is my second wave from UNice. My first one was bomb. The second one, obviously, now is bomb. So, you guys, like I said, go ahead and leave this video a like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.